Fresh with Fresh and Felicia. Today I want to talk to you about the new D600 Pro Max dash cam. You really do need a dash cam, unfortunately, in today's society, because everybody's got billboards for lawyers everywhere. You can't go anywhere without seeing them. So you really need to protect yourself, and the D600 Pro Max is really the best way to do it. I mean, this GKU dash cam really offers all the features you need to protect yourself. It has front and rear recording simultaneously in HD or 4K, and you can loop for up to 5 minutes. And it also has parking monitoring as well. So this really ticks all the boxes in terms of protecting yourself from other people who are on the road doing the wrong thing. One of the things I'm really liking about the GKU D600 Pro Max is how stealth it is. Look how small this thing is. And the screen is right here on the unit. That's all there is. You can barely see it. All this technology in such a little space is just really a miracle in itself. But what's truly mind-blowing is the image sensor, the Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor with its night capability. The low light capability is incredible. Now, the sky didn't look this blue when I was filming this. It was pretty dark outside, but the ability just to pull light out of nowhere is game-changing. I mean, this is really going to illuminate your night driving so that you can see all the detail in case, something, God forbid, happens. You want as much information on that sensor as you can get, and the STARVIS 2 is going to give that to you. I mean, look how bright this is. You can see it's totally pitch dark on the right side. All that's being illuminated here is by my headlights and a little bit of moonlight up in the sky. And here's the back camera. It's doing a great job as well. And again, you can save this stuff in 1080 or 4K. And you'll have as much information as possible, including in some cases, if you have the right light, the tag number of the offending driver. So the D600 Pro Max comes in a beautiful box, suitable for gifting. It's a great gift. Very thoughtful idea. And here is the unit itself. Very small and unassuming, but packed with power with that Sony STARVIS 2 sensor inside and the screen built into it. It's great. Just two buttons on the side. A lot of the applications are controlled by the app, so that makes it nice and easy. Here's the rear camera. The front camera shoots in 4K. The rear shoots in HD and 1080 HD. So all you have to do is just clean your window. Take a little alcohol wipe, and they give you this clear little static sheet to put on there, and you just tap that right on there, and it will stay there forever, no matter how much heat is coming through your windshield and direct sunlight. And these things are built to tolerate a bunch of heat, so they are great. My last dash cam lasted, I was in Florida heat for 3 years. We had no problems whatsoever. Great capacitors in these things. Just plug in the USB power cord and then the connector to the back camera, and you are ready to go. Once you formatted your SD card, the only thing you need to do is download the app and connect via Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi 6. It connects up to, I think, 20 megabits per second, so it's pretty fast, very, very fast download and transfer of files. And here you can change all the camera settings. You can put a timestamp, take that off, your GPS coordinates. And here is where you set your either 4K or 4K HDR for very, very crystal clear images. And also you can set your loop time here from 1 to all the way up to 5 minutes, which is nice. And of course, you can put your date format and the GPS data, all that stuff here, and enter your car plate. So that will be placed on the overlay as well. It's a very, very easy to use app, and it appears to work very, very well. Here are all the files that are on my cam. And with this high quality video, you can see how high quality this is. You could probably use these for stock video. I've actually used some of these in music videos, and they just look terrific. A little bit of a reflection, that's from my windshield. I could put it a little bit closer if I wanted to, but I think it still looks great. And for what this is used for liability purposes, the video is just crystal clear and it's just perfect just the way it is. And the back camera just as clear, recording in 1080. And in case you get rear-ended or something's going on behind you that you need to keep track of, you're going to get crystal clear video back there as well. And the GKU D600 Pro Max also includes voice control functionality. That's pretty cool as well. GKU D600 Pro Max. Can't say enough great things about this dash cam. Get yourself one and protect yourself. with the GKU D600 Pro Max.